Alright, welcome back to another walk around and test drive video here at Coyote Classics. Today we're going to get behind the wheel of this 1974 Pontiac Trans Am. Numbers matching 455, not a Super Duty, but about as close as you can get.
Yeah, actually kind of, in a lot of ways, more rare than a Super Duty. A 455 non-Super Duty car, numbers matching motor, transmission, air conditioning, and a beautiful dark blue metallic color.
I love the color with the white interior. One of my favorite cars we got in the
I see a lot of the dark blue TAs in this year with the blue interior, but that white interior just really sets this car off.
There's so much metallic too in that paint.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. So as we mentioned before, numbers matching 455. We have verified that. Power steering, brakes, air, disc brakes on the front. Bottom of the hood's done in the correct matte black. This is how I'd classify this car is a bone stock original car, kind of a survivor that just had a cosmetic restoration. You know, a new paint job, but a rock solid rust-free car underneath as well.
And the neat thing with this too is the ownership history. It's a 2-owner car, which you don't see that all that often.
Tons of documentation. That 455 just sounds awesome. Nice dual exhaust sound. You can hear that nice cam in it, but it's not overbearing either. You know, just like it would be back in 1974. We went ahead and put brand new BFG raised wet letter tires on it. We left the stock rims that were on it. The stock rims were all restored as well, cosmetically redone. But we chose to just go ahead and put just a little bigger tire on the back, and I love the stance that it gave it. The whole car show quality, I mean, it's just something you can be super proud of.
Yeah, it is.
We kind of talked enough about under the hood here, but it's got the factory 455 sticker as well. You can definitely tell that, in my opinion, that the motor's been out probably at least once and redone the way it looks. The engine compartment's just way too nice to be 100% stock.
And the car too, when we pulled it out of the showroom, it starts so easy and it runs so smooth.
Yeah. Should be a real low maintenance car. I mean, you jump in it and go. We've got the air charged up on it as well. So many of these big hoods on these Pontiacs will stick up in the back because the hood hinges are shot. This one definitely doesn't. All of our gaps here across the back are awesome. Nice gap from front to back. Grille is in beautiful shape. The chrome around the grille is nice as well. The black on the front bumper, the rubberized bumper is in really good shape. A couple little pits way back in here in this chrome. Overall appearance of the chrome on there is nice. It's just, it's original. If you look up and down the sides of this TA, it's super straight. Side of this hood actually sits just a little low. Could be raised up a little bit, but that's easy enough. Bottom of the fender, bottom of the door, dog leg, rocker, all that's in great shape. Door fits in there nice and snug. It does have a Sirius radio back here. As far as an antenna, the back shelf is excellent. It's got the rear speakers. Top of the back seat's perfect.
Typical with these Trans Ams and second-gen Camaros.
This little stress point right there. Factory lead line. Got a little bit of a stress crack there in the paint. Other than that, the roof is laser straight. It doesn't look like the car's ever had any hail or dings at all, does it?
Well kept. And that's what you get when you get a 2-owner car.
Yeah. Tail light lenses are perfect. Back bumper again is in great shape. The rubberized bumper back there is nice. Tires are brand new. They don't have 4 miles on them. Another thing with these TAs, these kind of get broken and stuff. This is in excellent shape. The doors open nicely. Door jamb pane is pristine as well. Scuff plates, I love to see it. I love to see a few scratches on those scuff plates. These are the original scuff plates, and I'm going to say pretty much original seats and everything. I think original interior in this car. You can tell coming in and out, it's got a few scuffs that, you know, the dye is just worked off on the driver's side and on the passenger side here. But the door panels are just excellent still. Doors are 100% rust-free. Door gem paint's nice. Rubbers and felts are all nice. Roof rail rubbers are new as well. And the seats are super plush and comfortable. The car's got 94,503 original miles. The dash pad is great. The steering wheel is in excellent shape as well. Factory 8-track player down here. The console's beautiful. The Pontiac radio. You can see here the original door panels. You can see some scuffing here on the driver's side, but other than that, the inside's excellent. Back seat's nice. Doors line up great. You don't have to slam them. I'm gonna open that trunk one, Steve.
Yeah.
Trunk lid fits good. Spoiler fits good here. A little bit of wax there. Wow, that is clean. Kenwood 10-disc changer, that's what the remote's for back there. But look at the shock towers and stuff back here. They're absolutely rust-free, perfect. The quarters are original. Everything is just in excellent shape. We got the original style spare back here. I wouldn't. It's got bias. I wouldn't use the spare. It probably needs to be replaced. But trunk lid fits nice.
Sharp car.
Very, very nice. Something you can be very proud of, you guys. Couple little tiny chips right here, one here, and a couple of real small ones right along the door edge. There's just a little bit of scratch, kind of a little tiny little ding right there as well. Again, it's got the original sticker here. These doors are rust free. Right along the bottoms, the only wear on the door panels. Seats are excellent. Again, it shows you it's original. You can see just a little mark here on this original cord. Inside door jamb is awesome. Bottom corner of the door.
Shake your head. Sweet car.
We haven't had too many of these 455s at all. I mean, the original ones, I don't even know if we ever had them.
You don't see them that often.
And I love the 70 to 75 body style. 74 body style is fantastic. Oil pressure gauge is way over in the high in the 70. The temp gauge works as well. Gas gauge, volt gauge, all those gauges work. Tachometer does work, but it's just reads a little low. Let's figure out this radio. I'm not 100% sure how that works.
Puts right back in your seat. You weren't even all the way into it.
Fantastic car. Brake stop nice and straight. Get warmer up a little bit.
There we go.
There, now you just gotta punch her down a little bit. What a great
Nice
car,
shift.
huh? Wow. 80 just like that.
I think it's sweet. It's comfortable.
As far as our brakes go, brake stop on a dime. This is a cool car, huh?
Sweet.
Nice shift. comfortable. Really comfortable in the seats. The ride and drive is awesome. Wind noise is very minute.
It's your overall
Fun to drive. I can drive this thing every day.
I could too. Comfortable car. And for me, it's the color combination that gets me. It's absolutely beautiful.
Put your hand on the wheel and just go. I mean, it drives itself.
Absolutely. And check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you guys for watching.